Chain scarf for absolute beginners. The materials you will need are a size I crochet hook and 3 1/8 ounces of number 5 yarn. To begin, make a slip knot. Place your hook in the knot and tighten it. Weave the working yarn through your fingers as shown to create tension. Grab your hook as you would a knife and yarn over with the working yarn and pull it through the slip knot for a chain 1. Yarn over your hook and pull it through the loop you just made for a chain 2. Repeat this process 73 more times for a total of 75 chains. When you have made 75 chains, find the beginning chain, being careful not to twist the chain or keep the V's on top. When you find the beginning chain, insert your hook through it for 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over your hook and pull it through both loops to create a slip stitch. To end off, yarn over and pull the working yarn through the last loop and cut the working yarn about 2 inches long. Pull the loop to bring the tail through and pull it securely. Now make 11 more rings in the same manner. Pause here until you have created all 12 joined rings. Make another chain 75, but do not join it. This will be your wrap piece. Pause and come back when you have finished this straight piece. Remember, do not join. Gather all of your 12 joined loops with the joined ends in your non-dominant hand. Trim any tails that are over 2 inches long. Once you have gathered all of the rings together, grab your straight piece and begin winding in over and around the loops. Cover the loose ends as you go. Once you have come to the end of your straight piece, weave in both the beginning and the ending tails and any other tails that show. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.